Me and JJ Bird are here to have a sleepover. Well, this is going to be a short video.
I'm having a sleepover at his house.
Yeah.
And you've seen our other video?
We were playing Roblox. When we started, it was boring because I was cats. It was very boring.
We just had a sleepover at my house, but we didn't do a video of that, I think. But
yeah, we'll do it next time.
Yeah.
Also, dude, this is, no. Hold on. Alright, dude, this is my blanket. This is my blanket.
I want that blanket.
No, it's mine. You get this one.
Okay. I don't want that one.
What? Why? It's the same flopping.
Yeah, I guess it's cool.
What? Why? You get it anyway. Darkness, my old friend.
Guys, why? Wait, is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh, I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, I'm so happy. Anyway, guys, want to see my dope sunglasses?
Oh, it's so cool. I'm gonna jump on you.
Gosh, dang it.
Wait, let's see how cool this is when I jump. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah.
God dang it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, frick. Oh, that was awesome. I'm gonna do it again.
It's still recording, right?
Yeah, it's still recording. I'm just gonna jump in.
Don't jump on me, please.
Alright, then move.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm on Spider-Man.
Go! Oh, bro. That was awesome.
Can you guys hear this?
People might have problems. Like you.
Or they have...
And then you. Look down that. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Wait, open your mouth. Put your... No. Hold on. I need to put it straight. Hold on. Oh, gross. I saw it through. Oh, gross.
Wait, can I...
Hold on. See if your nostrils. Oh, gross. Who wants to see that?
Can I see it?
Alright, we're gonna add... No.
Yes. Oh.
These are my talkies.
Why are you both talking so much? Oh.
Oh, wait. I showed your face.
What?
I showed your face.
Okay.
Oh, okay. But no one else's face.
Okay.
Bye.
This guy is problem with not showing his face. His face looks like a man and a girl.
What? I heard that. These are my talkies. Alright. Bad boy.
Oh.
Bed. Come here. Get off the dog bed. Why is my pants on the dog bed?
Because they pants you.
Oh! What? I don't know.
Wait, did you do this once?
No.
Yeah.
No. That's nasty. I didn't do that.
Yeah, you said you did.
I didn't do it.
Yeah, you did.
Well, we're gonna end the video here.
Come on. Okay, we'll see. We'll do another video probably.
At midnight, yes.
Something like that.
Something like that. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
3 a.m. Seriously? 3 a.m.? Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll meet you guys maybe at 3 a.m. and maybe at like 9 o'clock-ish. But
yeah,
we'll see you sometime.
Yeah. Alright, bye.
Make sure to hit that like button, guys.
Yeah. Alright, say bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Wait,
Remember what?
remember that.
to like and subscribe.
Well, yeah, but also this. We're the best YouTubers. Not true much, but
No.
yeah. Anyways.
PewDiePie and Markiplier and Jack.
Oh, I love Markiplier. Wait.
Let's not. Oh, hey, I forgot. Everyone, we're going to react me versus sad YouTubers. So, like Markiplier.
Spider-Man.
Oh my gosh.
Throw Spider-Man there.
All right, give me Spider-Man. All right, Spider-Man.
Yes?
You're going to have to
Die.
go to sleep. No, what the? No. Okay, go to sleep.
You're gonna have to have a bad time.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go cook. Be right back. I'm gonna cook today. And there we go. And we'll be right back. He has been cooked. So let's check on him. All right, that looks good. The hot, yeah, it's hot.
Did you pause?
All right, it looks pretty good, but it's hot. So I'm gonna grab it and. All right, we're good. And I know you where Spider-Man is. Maybe he disappeared. And we're going. And that's how you cook. That's how you cook.
We found another Spider-Man. Let's go cook him.
No, we just found his leg.
Yeah. Wait, what?
We just found his leg. So.
Oh, wait, do you know what else we should?
We can't cook a horse. All right. Bye. Bye.